tayo, nakangiti, di ba? Marunong din naman tayo ngumiti kahit nag-iisa tayo, kahit malungkot, gawin natin ngumiti. Kasi may Panginoon tayo. Makinig tayo ng kanta kahit sandali lang, mag-umpisa na ng fellowship natin mamaya. Fellowship Bible Study, mga kapatid, tara na, sali na tayo. Sinong gustong sumali sa akin para mapag-aralan natin ang mga salita ng ating Panginoon Diyos?
Stumble to the kitchen for a bite. Then I see my old guitar in the night, just waiting for me like a secret friend. And there's no end while she lays crying. I fumble with a melody or two, then I'm torn between the things that I should do. Then she says to wait for us when I am through. God, her love is true. And she
believes in me. Wow,
never know
parang marunong kumanta, no?
sees in me. I told her someday if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little songs. I was wrong, but she has faith in me, and so I go on trying faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way. While she waits, while she waits for me.
Bye-bye! Umpisa na ng Bible Study Fellowship natin, mga kapatid. God bless.